Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. My name is Gift Ola and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you can always get notified each time I upload a new video. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Today I'm gonna be showing how I shampoo my hair. Today is my shampoo day, my shampoo routine. What I do, I just do a simple thing, nothing too serious, very simple, because I'm a busy person, so whatever I do for myself, I try to make it simple and easy, quick and simple and easy to go, and not too expensive, because trust me, I ain't got that money. Not too expensive, like simple, easy, and affordable, super affordable. So those are the things that I'm doing. So if you want to know how I got these little afro done, stay tuned. I just shampooed my hair last night and then I just blew it out this morning. So let's see what happened. How I got this little afro done today. So let me shut up and let's get to the video. As you can see here, I already oiled my scalp, so I am just parting it and braiding it, let it stay for 30 minutes before I shampoo. So this is my deep conditioner that I'm gonna be using. Hair Mayonnaise from African Best. And this is my shampoo, Jamaican Black Castro oil. And my Jamaican Black Castro oil. So right now I already shampoo my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and deep condition my hair. Man, I love this deep conditioner. It smells so good. Ever since I started using this deep conditioner, my hair is so happy. And I came to fall in love with the product. It's very cheap. I mean, it's super affordable and it smells good, and you really get the job done. You can see how soft my hair feels right now. I'm just finger combing my hair, after shampoo. Ever since I started deep conditioning my hair got soft and easy to manage. Before, it used to be so hard for me after shampoo. My hair shrink a lot and hard for me to comb. But now my hair is so soft thanks for the Pre-poo, which is the oil. I use the olive oil for Pre-poo my hair. I don't know what happened to that clips, so that's why you guys didn't see how I oil my hair before shampoo. It's not a major thing. It's just like you oil your scalp, that's all. So alright, I'm still working my way through the whole hair, applying the deep condition to my hair. And my hair feels so soft and curly. Yeah. And I'm just twisting it before rinsing. I rinse my hair on twist. I'm very heavy in products, so don't mind me. I put a lot of product on my hair. A lot. Just like I'm relaxing my hair. That's how I'm just, applying the product as if I'm actually putting a relaxer on my hair. this deep condition, it's more like a protein treatment, you know. So I'm gonna leave all the info in the description box below, and I hope you try it out and tell me what you think if you did. This year I'm really gonna focus on my hair and my skin, taking care of them, taking care of it, and see, you know, what my progress is. I'm just gonna keep track of my hair and then my skin. I'm just gonna really gonna take care of my hair, my skin this year. So I finish, and I'm just gonna wrap it up and wait for, between 10 to an hour if you can, or 30 minutes if you can. Sometimes I would just leave it on for an hour or two, go to gym or cook, so that's what I do sometimes. So now I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil and my leave-in condition as I am coconut leave-in, because I just rinse the deep condition out. Now I'm just applying my leave-in condition as a young coconut leave-in condition with olive oil to seal in the moisture. You can see how stretched my hair is right now, and the volume that I'm getting right now, it is so amazing compared to before my shampoo day. I can barely see anything, like seriously, I can barely see anything. So I just finished applying the product on my hair. So right now I'm just gonna flat twist it, like about 6 flat twists, just to get the hair stretch out for the next day and dry overnight without blow drying. Because this hair is ready to braid for the next day. So I'm just doing the flat twist, and I went ahead, repeat the process all over, and it's bedtime. Good night, everybody. When I deep condition the hair, I just added more oil. Last night when I deep conditioned the hair, I did add leave-in condition with olive oil. So today I'm gonna be braiding the hair, so I'm not gonna put any product on this hair today because I'm gonna be braiding the hair. So I'm just combing the hair out. Just combing the hair out. And I try to make afro. I'm so thrilled that a day after my shampoo I get this much for my hair. This is amazing. And guess what? The hair didn't shed. You can see the little thing I got. Ooh la la. So right now I'm just gonna be fixing my hair to my desire. You can see I don't have hair on my front head, so I don't have edges, so I have to push the hair forward in order for me to have a volume, on the front side. So that's it.